Welcome to WEWIN. From a truck was covered almost its entire wheel by mud to encountering strange axle configurations due to overloaded packing, heavy vehicles face a myriad of challenges on the road. These incidents highlight the demanding nature of transporting goods. Go deeper into the world of heavy vehicles, we'll explore the complexities and importance of transportation. Now, let's get it on. Watching how this giant scarab try its best until the end. The mud covers almost the entire wheel. What is the probability of success, according to you? They were trying much, but no, cannot success. Let's see how this crashed truck was saved. How to tow to remove it from the mudhole where it had fallen. I guess the reason is that the rear trunk is too light while the speed is so fast. Do not get into ego battles because your life is most valuable. Remember, people, safe drive come first.
Lá discutir os dois agora, lá.
Ele vai subir o barranco, hein?
Can it keep moving? No. Finally, the trucker braked it in time.
Agora foi, deu certinho. Olha lá, o cara vibrou.
Luckily, other cars were not involved or damaged. If you find our videos help you drive better, please comment what you like so we can make more videos. Thanks much. Now continue. Oh my God, glad he can regain his balance to continue his trip. Bless you. Respect other on road. Never be impatient. If they pump air back, will it go back to normal? What can you guess? Please obey speed limit.
Olha o freio! Jogue na grama!
Vai!
Jogue na grama! Jogue na grama! Olha lá, ó.
Thanks God he can turn and stop in time.
Que homem!
The heavy truck faced a long uphill climb and the engine was directly overloaded. Black and white smoke kept coming out. Hope they are okay for next time. They are so brave. Like video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more amazing moments. Wow, the power gearing used to pull 3 trailers up a gradient is phenomenal. Such a strange axle configuration, such a strange load packing. All this overloading is scary. I don't understand how this truck fell into the ditch and now it must be pulled up. Oh no, the truck can't swim and do not want to come back to the lake. A logging truck could not complete the task on its own. Another crane had to come to assist. Other truck had a trouble by Snowy. A multi-vehicle collision occurred on I-70 in Hendricks County, shutting down all eastbound lanes for hours. The crash involved 4 cars and 2 semi-trucks near the Plainfield exit. Have you ever seen this kind of vehicle? It's a nightmare about snow again. So much mud, so terrible. The demonstration involving a railroad tank car collapsing due to the application of a vacuum on the tank, while the vacuum safety valves were disabled or removed. Glad that the driver was okay. Oh my. The rugged terrain made it impossible for the excavator to stand. It fall downhill and damaged.
Крым не является независимым государством, как та же Осетия, Абхазия и так далее. Крым сегодня часть территории Российской Федерации.
Poor gas station or poor semi-truck.
¡No mames! ¡A la verga!
Oh no, runaway cement mixer crashes into semi-trailer on Trans Mountain.
¡No mames! ¡A la verga! ¿Qué pedo? Vamos a bajarnos, güey, ayudarle a la verga perdida. ¡No mames! Туда крути руль!
In 2019, at a Western Australian mine, there was an incident where a Hitachi EX1900 excavator tumbled from a bench, resulting in significant damage to the machine. Fortunately, the operator emerged unharmed. Classic blown steer tire and causes tank truck to take an immediate turn to direction of the blown tire. Yes, let's try and pull this 75,000-pound mixer. If you find our videos help you drive better, please comment what you like so we can make more videos. Thanks much. Now continue. A poor beer truck. Wow, that's why I never get miffed when a mixer is creeping along the road in front of me. I find a safe place to pass and quietly thank the driver for being safe. On Thursday afternoon in Davie, a collision involving a tanker truck and subsequent fire forced the closure of the westbound lanes of Interstate 595. The bridge is so old and the car is overloaded. That is the inevitable result.
Живой, живой. Сука, ему сказали, ёб твою мать, блядь. Да. Ебаный в рот, блядь.
Always remember to slow down on curves, especially heavy trucks. The truck has had enough rest. It needs to be woken up.
Up! Up! Больно! О!
A dramatic truck crash on highway. This footage captures the moment an inattentive driver causes an accident with a huge truck. Never take your mind off the road ahead. Oh, they were tried but failed. A fleeing suspect crashes into large box truck during intense chase. That's reason why you should not run away from the police. Hey there, if you are enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. A poor truck stalled in the middle of the road before it could completely get to the shore. So fast. Never attempt to drive around lowered gates or through flashing lights at a railroad crossing. That's why you don't pass a semi on the right. Never forget it. Always slow down and thoroughly check both directions for oncoming trains, regardless of whether warning signals are operational or not. Victoria bitter beer cases littered the highway after a semi-truck crash, resulting in the closure of one lane while crews cleared the debris. In southeastern Tippecanoe County, a semi overturned when the driver made a turn that was too sharp. Be patient. Never do it. Oh my God, so great. Perhaps they need a more giant scarab to pull stronger. Adjust your driving to suit the weather, whether it's rain or snow. It's called blind spot. PLS careful, guys.
Ôi, trùng nhông. Ôi, mũi nhông à.
Oh, icy road. No one loved this. A tanker carrying gasoline crashed and fell into a ditch along a road in Tota in Bonn County. At the moment of the explosion, people were trying to get free gas from the tank that had crashed and fallen into a ditch by the side of the road. They don't seem to realize this great danger. Why are so many drivers so intent on testing physics? Never stop or park on railroad tracks, even momentarily.
Pendleton, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Just happened in Pendleton.
Yeah.
You think that FedEx driver might have been going a little too fast to begin with, especially considering the weather and road conditions at that time. A good lesson for all truckers. Truck narrowly misses Ohio school buses, brakes fail. Excellent driving by everyone involved.
No, something.
Maybe the driver thought he was on a speedway or something. Oh no. Wow, can't imagine how rough that impact must have felt. A historical winter story in December 2019 on I-80 between the East Mixmaster and Altoona. This poor pickup truck must have become a target for dozens of vehicles. Do not follow any semi-truck when it is going uphill. Truck going down the street out of control and at high speed after its driver released the handbrake and lost control. The semi-truck flipped and ignited on I-84 in Iowa, generating thick smoke and halting traffic. In Portsmouth, a car became wedged beneath a flatbed truck, resulting in a traffic incident that required assistance to resolve. If you find our videos help you drive better, please comment what you like so we can make more videos. Thanks much. Now continue. Traffic at the East Mixmaster was halted due to a semi-truck overturning and obstructing the roadway, causing delays for commuters. You're driving too fast, slow down, guy. Lady Luck was on his side, that's for sure. If not, so bad effect. On Detroit's east side, a Detroit fire engine collided with a gas station after being hit by an SUV, causing a chain reaction crash. Witnesses described a chaotic scene as people fled, fearing an explosion. I think he forgot to grab a case of beer while he was at it. A semi-truck and a car involved in fiery crash at Miami Gardens gas station. A semi-truck collides with minivan in residential area and crash into a tree. Luckily, no one was hurt. Unbelievable. You should comprehend that a 76,000 lb truck can't stop on a dime. Cannot enough time. The car landed perfectly next to the pump. Some think that it looked like a stunt, fast and furious. Hey there, if you are enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. A tractor-trailer fire on I-93. Driver think that I believe I can fly a. Truck driver obviously didn't do a pre-trip inspection. Ensure your vehicle is well maintained with working brakes, lights and tires. Why do you need training to tell you to not have the box up when driving? That's the most deliberate brake check I've ever seen. Did anyone recommend charges for the driver of the blue car? Dude's lucky the truck driver tried to move away instead of just letting him get squashed. This occurred in the city of Campo Largo. A car is hit by a tanker truck which then hits a bus that was coming in the opposite direction. Finally is an explosion. That's what happens when you load the trailer the wrong way.
There's stop. Mile mark, 342. Southbound, there's stop.
Glad that she could stand up and safe. At least 5 vehicles fall through the ice on Lake Winnipeg in one day as the weather became too harsh. Obey speed limits, wear seat belts, and avoid reckless driving. Oh my God. Man, why are they driving so fast in these conditions? Please more patient on road, folks.
Caiu!
Блять, куда ты? Ёбаный в рот, блять! Ёбаный в рот, блять!
In May 2015, this truck incident occurred in Shosinaya Street, Russia. Thanks God, no one was injured.
Ёбаный в рот, блять! Блять, у меня регистратор все есть, блять, нахрен.
The driver only had time to escape when he knew his cement mixer truck could not be saved. Any type of vehicle requires periodic brake maintenance and careful inspection before moving. It seemed impossible to succeed.
No, hijo de puta.
Glad it was finally pulled up. A FedEx truck slides down icy Interstate I-80 during snowstorm. Nice to see a cooperation between trucker and highway patrol. Hats off to this driver. Oh no, what will he say to his owner?
Vai o caminhão agora. Ih! Ih!
Oh my God. If you find our videos help you drive better, please comment what you like so we can make more videos. Thanks much. Now continue. A truck plunged into Furnace Reservoir during boarding, captured on video as the ramp detached, causing the vehicle to plummet. Never do like this van. A reluctant dancer on the street. Please adherence to safety protocols while navigating the highways. Wow, a great truck. A collision in Atlanta involving two vehicles occurred due to the failure of a reckless driver to yield, resulting in a double T-bone accident.
Nous connaissons, les nations travaillent, c'est en projection, et mais 50 ans après, quel que soit le développement,
It needs a stronger pulling force than that.
et pour ça, la preuve.
A bad day of trucker. Hope the trucker was safe. Is this vehicle strong enough to complete its mission? Like video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more amazing moments. Obey speed limit. All for your safe first. Who is liable? So difficult, but finally okay. A truck driver from the Colruyt department store chain got stuck on the roundabout. He may a new driver. During an evasive action, a truck ended up in the ditch next to the road on the WEWIN. Luckily, the driver was safe. Bless him. Have you ever seen them? Always stop with enough distance from the vehicle in front of you. Share this widely to raise awareness of the dangers in such. Mercedes truck is so good. Do you want to try it once? Keep a distance. To be able to stop in time or move away if an idiot reverses truck or other vehicle.
Obey all traffic signs and signals at the railroad crossing, including stop signs and flashing lights. Approach all railroad crossings with caution. It's not the swerving that's scary. It's the not being able to stop. Trucker work-related nightmares are always in a train with brakes that aren't working. Rushing 1 second has never made you faster when crossing the train tracks. Approach all railroad crossings with caution and be prepared to stop if necessary. Don't be reckless. In Larimer County, a train derailed near Fort Collins, spilling sand as 7 cars veered off track. The incident occurred in Timnath, close to a residential area, but fortunately, there were no injuries reported and no hazardous materials were involved. Tire explosions pose serious risks. Regular tire maintenance, proper inflation, and visual inspections can help prevent these dangerous incidents on the road. Oh no, car hauler forgets he's hauling cars. The driver will say, "Gee, boss, I don't know how those scratches and dents got into the roof."
Oh my god. Holy.
If you find our videos help you drive better, please comment number 1 so we can make more videos. Thank you very much. Now, continue. It's amazing how being in a hurry can really slow you down. Never do it. See what happens when you try to take the exit at the last minute? Always plan your trip. Remember, the streets are for cruising, not colliding. A dramatic takedown unfolded on the Florida Turnpike as FHP troopers executed multiple pit maneuvers to halt a speeding pickup truck during rush hour. Oh, a blind spot. Learn more and be careful to avoid it. Obey speed limits and be patient on the road. What was happening? Always use caution, especially when near large trucks. It can accidentally swallow you whole. When a road construction worker was putting out snow cans, he almost hit a taxi and scared the taxi driver to death. Thank God no one was hurt. Never play with mixer cement trucks. So dangerous. Valuable lesson with truckers. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more amazing moments. If each of us were more careful on the road, these scenes would be gone. I can tell with 1000% accuracy that many people were on the cell phone or radio instead of paying attention to the road. So bad. Dashcam footage reveals the shocking moment when a double-decker bus collided with a car after an impatient driver maneuvered into a bus lane while waiting in heavy traffic. Being patient can save lives and prevent accidents. Never forget it. While transporting 200 tons of special transformers uphill, the vehicle's tires burst under the strain. A dancing tire on the road. Ensure your vehicle is well maintained with working brakes and tires. Daily life of grudge drivers on WEWIN Highway, China. Anyway, never get into ego battles because your life is more valuable. The better we learn lane discipline, the better we can avoid highway accidents. Watch the lorry driving the wrong way down the motorway as booze thieves attempt to escape from the police. Many major road closures to commercial vehicles' failure to comply with Colorado's chain law. Respect others and follow the law. Hope the car has good insurance and learns a valuable lesson. A driver slams into guardrail in single car accident. A car dangerously swerves across multiple lanes on the I-75 highway in Pontiac, MI, in a frantic attempt to make a last-second exit. Never be emulated like that. The left lane in this situation is a passing lane, not a travel lane. You'd think it would be okay to use the left lane under the circumstances, but I've been pulled over for doing it before. Share this to raise awareness of the traffic law.
Thank you for staying with us throughout this incredible journey. We'd love to hear which moment resonated with you the most. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. See you in the next video.